welcome to KZV Academic Services, the best and finest academic services in the world. Now, I've been asked by my students to solve Mathematics GCE Paper 2, question 2b. Now, the question reads, the sum of n terms of a geometric progression, GP, is given by 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power n. The first question is, find the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP. Find the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP. Now, this question was very simple, okay, in the sense that we know that the sum is given by 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power n. Now, we've been given that we should find the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP. Now, n is 4, so we'll substitute. Where there is n, we'll put 4. So we'll say 10 minus 10 over 2. Where there is n, we put 4. Because n is 4, 2 to the power 4. Okay, implying that we have 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power 4 is 16, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and then we have 10 minus, okay, what is 16 into 10?
It's 0.625.
0.625. Okay, and then we have 10 minus 0.625. What do we get?
That is 9.375.
Okay,
9.375.
Okay, so this is the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP. This is the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2, can I write it here?
Yes.
Okay. So number 2, because of space. Number 2, the question is find the first term. Okay. Find the first term. Find the first term. Okay. Now the first term can be given because we know that the sum of a GP, n is given by a plus ar plus ar to the power 2 plus ar to the power 3 plus ar to the power n minus 1. Are you following?
Yes.
Are you following? Now they are saying that can we find the first term? Now the first term is just the same as saying S1 is equal to 10 minus 10 over, this is 2 to the power 1, because n is just 1.
Yes.
Are you following? Okay, implying that this is just 10 minus, okay, 2 into 10, what do we get?
5.
You get 5. Okay, and then this is just 10 minus 5, what you get is 5. So this S1 is the same as saying A. Okay, so A is the first term, where A is the first term, and A is 5. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now the third question, under GPs or under sequences and series was find the first 4 terms. Find the first 4 terms. Now the first 4 terms. So the first thing that we have to do when we're solving this question, we have to find the common ratio. And how do we find the common ratio? So we know that Sn is given by AR, it's given by the first term A plus AR plus AR to the power 2 plus, and so on and so forth. This is AR to the power n minus 1. Now just using 2 terms, okay?
Yes.
Just using 2 terms, we can say A plus AR is equal to, this is 10 minus 10 over 2 to the power 2. Are you following?
Yes.
But we know what A is, which is the first term. Our A is
5
plus, okay, what is our first term here? Just 5, which is equals to, here is 10 minus, this is 10 over 4. Okay,
yes.
Now here we have 5 plus 5r is equal to, okay, this is 10, 4 into 10, what do we get?
It's 2.2.
Okay, I'm going to wrap this part. May I wrap this part with your permission?
Yes.
Okay. Now, from that point, we have 5 plus 5r is equal to 10, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now here we have it's equal to 10 minus this is 10 over 4. Okay. Now we have 5 plus 5r is equal to, this is 10, and then 4 into 10, what do we get?
It's 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Now here we have 5 plus 5r is equal to 10 minus 2.5.
That is
What do we get? 10 minus 2.5
zero.
is 7.5. Okay, yes, 7.5.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we want to find the value. Of r. So we say 5r is equal to 7 minus 5. When you take 5 to the other side, it becomes negative 5, isn't it?
Yes.
So we have 5r is equal to 7.5 minus 5. What do we get?
That is
What do we get?
2.5.
2.5. Okay, 2.5. And then we divide both sides by 5, or we multiply both sides by 1 over 5. Okay, this is 1, and then we have r is equal to 5 into 2.5. What we get is